I do not think you can name many great inventions have been made by married men. From my childhood I had been intended for the clergy. This prospect hung like a dark cloud on my mind. The harness of waterfalls is the most economical method known for drawing energy from the sun. I myself eschew all stimulants. I also practically abstain from meat. In the 21st century, the robot will take the place which slave labor occupied in ancient civilization. The human being is a self-propelled automaton, entirely under the control of external influences. Willful and predetermined though they appear, his actions are governed not from within, but from without. He is like a float tossed about by the waves of a turbulent sea.